Cesare of Z Master gets away immediately. Ceiling Pula, keeper of Grace. Then followed by Combatant, Makisig, pre-lane, and trailing the group is She Can Dance. C Master by about 2.5 lengths. Keeper of Grace running by under third. Ceiling Pula rushing up Makisig. Combatant, pre-lane, and trailing the group still is She Can Dance. And that's still Z Master by about 2 lengths. Makisig now in second. Keeper of Grace that's making third. Ceiling Pula is racing in fourth. Combatant then a long way back to pre-lane and She Can Dance. And that's still Z Master by about a length. Makisig and Keeper of Grace is racing in third. Z Master still the leader. Makisig, Keeper of Grace, Combatant, Ceiling Pula, pre-lane, and She Can Dance. With Z Master still the leader by about 2 lengths. Keeper of Grace now in second. Makisig, here comes Combatant as they come down at the last of the Z Master, Keeper of Grace, Combatant is on the outside. Z Master, Keeper of Grace now on the outside to take the lead. It's now Keeper of Grace, Z Master, Combatant, and pre-lane down to the finish. Keeper of Grace now by about 3 lengths, and finally it's Keeper of Grace. Second is Z Master, Combatant, pre-lane. Then comes Makisig, Ceiling Pula, and She Can Dance.